Kasi Silva nang linig.
Sinusundan lang nila ako. Naka-dismount sila dyan sa gate,
This one.
May
In front of them.
may
Full check now.
silpeo.
Full spread. Get ready pads, okay? Get ready pads. Definitely. Get the potion now. Okay. Roll now. Full brawl now. Full brawl. Push him. Drop only in the middle. Drop only. 3, 2, 1, no. Drop now. Full round them over. Full round them over. Get ready defense. Defense ready. Keep pushing. Okay, they're broken already. Just full
They go
spread.
out.
Full spread and brawl. They're on the nerd. Full spread and brawl. They're looking. Get ready, def. Def now. Guardian armor, walang damage, okay? Kill him. Brawl. Chase, bro.
Meron pa dito kaya, marami pa dito kaya.
Sige lang. Okay guys, southeast. They're looking southeast.
Southeast.
Grande them. Come southeast. Dita wrap around them. Okay, catch him guys. Drop in, 3, 2, 1, drop in. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing them.
Healer.
Just push. Kill all of them.
Shaper sila.
Kill all of them. Kill their caller.
Here.
Party 2, go to the vortex.
Another,
Boxer sa likod mo kay Boxer.
Boxer sa likod.
Okay, come on, test. Regroup me. Loot.
Help, heal.
Guys, east side is looking. Def. Okay, kill them east side. Party 2, go to the vortex. Party 2. Let us chase. Kill. East side on the ping.
Okay, party 2, go here.
Party 2, go to the, nearby party. Stop chasing.
Wait lang, meron kaming pinapatay.
May kami pinapatay dito. Wait lang.
May healer kaming pinapatay dito.
2
Meron
minutes,
pa isa.
Vortex.
Guys, vortex is 1 minute. I don't care about the healer. Come na to us.
Nastal. Manal tuya. I think.
And it's dead.
Malayo na kayo guys. Wala na din. Mantap 7 warlord. Guide mo sa akin Manal tuya. Guide mo.
Dismount around the vortex.
Masyado na ako magaling.
Ayun.
Yo, let Pabili po take the vortex, okay? I need scout southeast and northwest.
Blob Northeast K.
What's that blob?
Sino din nakausit? Kunan niyo sa akin yung tukod.
Lahat na nag-OC? Nag-OC ba kayo lahat?
Sabi
Usi
mo.
No need OC.
Northeast blob ah.
Oh.
Check na,
PSC sila pa rin to.
Scoutan nyo nga.
Wala namang DA ang PS eh.
Wala na, siyempre naka-Nobel. Kanina
Wala.
may yan.
Sila nga.
Nag-split ata sila eh.
Sige na, balik na sa vortex.
Northwest tayo
Sige na, sige.
kasi baka makatip tayo dyan.
Regrouping.
Saan na po yung kuhan kaya? 1 hour? Kaya ka?
Careful ng careful
natin
Nirvo.
masama.
Nagdi-dismount
Hindi,
sila.
pwede.
Ilan pre?
Boxers dito sa
May trip namang catch yung mga.
Kasama din sila. Round 2 daw.
Okay, let them come. We go northwest. We go far away from the leaguers. We go northwest. Guys, do not get chased, please. I do not get caught. Come southwest. It's enough. Come here.
Table. Dalawa dyan.
If you didn't know, switch to your ult.
Isang scout lang. Dyan. Baka
May purple vertex din oh. Sa ano?
40 minutes pa, 50 pala.
May fight tayo 13. After nito, masagad.
Nag one shot yung AK.
One shot.
One shot.
Saan? Ping.
Okay.
Careful.
Ako din naman.
Northwest.
Kill them.
Alagoy, nandito ako.
Come northwest. Don't get caught, guys. Okay, I don't want people dying before the fight starts. Remember guys, your brawl is Qs and Ws. You drop in when you see clump. That's how you
Gusto
bro.
pa. Gusto pa nila ng fight.
Gusto pa nila ng fight.
Nag-whisper sa akin. No,
Sabihin mo.
bro.
Sabihin mo, anong no? Sabihin mo, punta sila sa atin.
Age.
Sabi mo, go to bail.
Hindi, kahit cut lang nila tayo. Kaya yan.
Di sila makakait eh. Ano yun, magkakait lang sila doon.
Patalaman Tragorokor niya kaya. Baba akong keyboard. Hindi mo function sa akin.
Pili ka na bago.
Hindi ko kaduwa.
Hindi nila bago.
Hindi na bago.
Nag-run out sa amin, Kay. Iwan nyo lang ako.